Don't miss out on our latest videos. Hit subscribe and click the bell icon to stay up to date with our expert natural remedies and lifestyle tips. Are you aware of the amazing health benefits of turmeric? This golden spice is not only a staple in many kitchens, but also a powerful natural remedy that can help prevent and treat a range of health problems. First of all, turmeric can help you prevent cancer by blocking prostate cancer and even killing cancer cells. It can also stop tumor cells from growing, guarding your body from getting cancer in the first place. Turmeric's anti-inflammatory properties make it an effective natural remedy for relieving arthritis pain, both osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. It can also kill germs that harm body cells, giving you even more relief from pain and joint swelling. Turmeric can also help control diabetes by keeping insulin at normal levels and improving sugar control. But be cautious when taking turmeric with strong medicines, as it can cause low blood sugar. Always ask your doctor before taking turmeric capsules. Turmeric is also an immunity booster that helps keep your immune system strong by killing bacteria, viruses, and fungi. Mix 1 teaspoon of turmeric in a glass of warm milk and drink it once a day to help you feel better if you get sick. Thanks to its natural ability to kill germs and bacteria, turmeric can be used to clean wounds and promote healing. It can also help treat psoriasis, itchy dead skin, and other skin conditions. If you're trying to manage your weight or treat obesity and related illnesses, turmeric can be helpful by breaking down fat. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder to each meal to aid in weight management. Turmeric's anti-inflammatory properties can also help prevent Alzheimer's disease by promoting healthy oxygen flow to the brain. This can slow down or even stop cognitive disorders like Alzheimer's disease. Turmeric can also improve digestion by reducing bloating and gas and treating inflammatory bowel disease. However, if you suffer from gallbladder disease, avoid taking turmeric as it can worsen your condition. Finally, turmeric can help prevent liver disease by naturally flushing toxins from the liver and improving blood flow. Adding turmeric to your diet can help keep your liver healthy and functioning properly. So there you have it, 10 incredible health benefits of turmeric. Consider adding this powerful natural remedy to your diet and experience the benefits for yourself. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more great content.